Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems, you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link of the website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get the questions on our website? So you need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select Academics Adda. In Academics Adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, coming back to the given problem, see what is given here. We need to find a non-zero vector x which is orthogonal to the given vectors v and u. Okay, so how we can solve this question? See, given vectors are v equal to 3 cap plus 10 cap minus 3 cap, and another vector u is minus I cap minus 3 cap plus 2 cap. These are in the form of matrices. Okay, same vectors are written in the form of matrices. Okay, so if we take cross product of two vectors, then we will get a vector which is orthogonal, or we can say perpendicular to both vectors. So suppose there are two vectors, vectors a and vectors b. Okay, vector a and vector b. So vector a is equal to e1 I cap plus e2 j cap plus e3 k cap, and similarly suppose vector b is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, and C is the vector which is perpendicular to or orthogonal to these two vectors. So we can obtain C vector as A vector cross B vector. Okay, so we need to take cross product of vector A and vector B, and in the form of determinant we can write the cross product as I cap, j cap, k cap, and a1, a2, a3 are the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap of vector A, and b1, b2, b3 are coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap of vector B. Then we need to find the value of this determinant. Okay, so for the given vectors u and v, what we need to do, we will insert the given vector in place of vector A and vector B. So vector x can be obtained as vector u as cross product of vector u and vector v. Okay, so I cap, j cap, k cap, and coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap of vector v are 3, 10 and minus 3. Similarly, coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap of vector u are minus 1, minus 3 and 2. So now how you find the value of a determinant? So first you need to write I cap, which is here. Then you need to multiply 10 into 2 like this. Then subtract multiplication of these two cells. Okay, or these two numbers. Okay, minus 3 into minus 3. So we have subtracted this. Minus j cap. So here it is minus, sorry, here it is minus j cap we have written here. Then we need to multiply, what we do, then for this one we need to multiply 3 into 2 and subtract multiplication of these two numbers, that is 3 into 2 minus of minus 1 into minus 3. Next we write k cap plus k cap, k cap is here, and then for k cap we need to leave this column and we multiply 3 into minus 3 and then subtract the product of 10 and minus 1. Okay, so like this we can find the value of a determinant. So we will get x is equal to, see we are taking I cap as common, then we will get 10 into 2 20 minus, here if we see I cap is here, see 20 minus minus 3 into minus 3, it will be 9. So 20 minus I cap minus 6 minus 3 j cap plus minus 9 plus 10 k cap. So our vector will be 11 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. Hence our required vector is vector x equal to 11 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap, and when we write in the form of matrix we will get like this one, 11 minus 3 and 1. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.